Is there a Python library function which attempts to guess the character encoding of some bytes? I'm writing some mail processing software in Python that is encountering strange bytes in header fields. I suspect this is just malformed mail. The message itself claims to be ASCII, so I don't think there is a true encoding, but I'd like to get out a Unicode string approximating the original one without throwing a Unicode. Decode. Error. So, I'm looking for a function that takes a str and optionally some hints, and does its standards to give me back a Unicode. I could write one of course, but if such a function exists, its author has probably thought a bit deeper about the best way to go about this. I also know that Python's design prefers explicit to implicit, and that the standard library is designed to avoid implicit magic in decoding text. I just want to explicitly say go ahead and guess.
As far as I can tell, the standard library doesn't have a function, though it's not too difficult to write one as suggested above. I think the real thing I was looking for was a way to decode a string and guarantee that it wouldn't throw an exception. The errors parameter to string.decode does that.
+1 for the charded module, suggested by @insin. It is not in the standard library, but you can easily install it with the following command. Example. See installing pip if you don't have one.
The best way to do this that I found is to iteratively try decoding a perspective with each of the most common encodings inside of a try except block.
Vielen Dank fürs Anrufen.